Hello Cancerians and Pisceans, welcome to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SSGLLS Essentials running now. This reading is going to be right from 24th of May 2021 till 30th of May 2021, though timeless readings, okay? So let's begin. I'm doing it like Cancer and Scorpio I have done separate, okay, as per my time and shuffle allows. So this is going to be for Pisceans and Cancerians, and one message each for Cancerian and Piscean here, and then further we proceed. Now, as in whole, there's a message of energy coming. It's the last bucket. Okay, there is something which is connected with the bucket, and this is the last bucket possible that you need to take care of. This is possible the last chance in this situation, in this time frame, to protect something, okay, or to overcome something. I feel the bucket is filled up. Okay, so I feel this is your emotional situation right now for many of you. There may be another water sign possible, just like you, Cancerian, Piscean, or Scorpion here. Not necessarily though, but I feel that kind of energy wherein you are trying to keep the bucket in the place of, like, you know, the rock is there in the midst. You are trying to fix it so that it stays there and it's protected. Okay, I feel like some of you might be checking on that bucket again, going and checking that because you've kept that there. Wherever you have kept that, you're checking that. Because someone was like peeping inside and seeing that, okay, it's here, okay, fine. That kind of checking I see. However, for Pisces here, you have this message of cross, Six of Wands energy. Something that you're getting free from and you need not to dance on anyone's tune. Okay, this kind of energy. This may be your work or other contact or relationships here to influence soulmates or connections. For me, connections can go for, you know, relations of like relatives or friendships or work situations or anything connected with you as an individual personality. I feel like something there's pain in the leg. Okay, so possible some of you actually going through that and you need to break free from something. There's also monotony that you are breaking free. This is something that is a pattern and someone is doing it like rest in peace here. Pisceans, okay, Cancerians, this is what came. Ship, Ten of Swords, something that you are ending. First thing, this is also some sour moment that you're no longer returning. This is about the last spot that you're not returning. So for some cases possible, overall is the bucket. So this is the last bucket possible. So you are keeping it safe for yourself. You're keeping your emotions safe also because that was filled up and you're taking care of that. It's your own heart. It's your own situation here. That's what I see and hear. I heard for the sake of, you have star, Six of hearts energy, cups energy, but from the tarot it's also resurgence or something, but I feel like you are getting free from certain kind of resurgence or format or pattern here. I also feel for the sake of, so possible this for the sake is you and you are taking care of your own emotions here. We're going to see. So let me pull the energy for what is like overall energy for you guys that you might need to work on, if you need to, if you want to. Remember, I'm just a messenger here for you guys. Okay, there's an offer that is pending, an offer maybe of work or offer something that you are thinking of releasing one thing and going with the other thing, because this is what you are in the connection for. And I feel like you are unable to do so because you are still connected with some energy here, and that's possible coming in the form of like healing. It's also something that is yet hitting your mind again and again of the fact that those were my friends, how can I like proceed with something new in my life. This does happen when you are cutting off the ties, and which is a hard decision. So that's why I also said like connections can go for your friendships and all that. Look, you have again Six of Wands energy in the tarot, which is overcoming something, rest after restless. Rest after restless. So Cancerians and Pisceans are doing this. I also see your movement. I see monotony breaking definitely for you. And so this card was for Pisceans, okay? But overall, this is the bucket call. I feel like you're going to connect with, there's also, okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, there's movement coming. Okay, there's a travel coming for you guys. There's somewhere you live where there's ocean or there are beaches around, and I also feel like you're going to, okay, there's a wake up, there's a wake up call, like there's a wake up call, like a tsunami kind of. So emotional wake up is also here, and it's also like you're becoming more energetic. There's also some kind of project coming. There is also something where you are again heading. This is a place where you work, which you desire. This may be your workplace also, okay? However, your travel is coming. However, your monotony is breaking for both of you, as in general, not to keep you confused. In this time frame, oh wow, you have the card of 10 of Cups energy. I heard the word bringing on, bringing-on, bringing on. So bringing on love, bringing in love, family, celebration, spending more time, or returning. It's also homecoming. It's somewhere you feel blessed and you see rainbows, you see more colors. Whether in real sense you see rainbow or not doesn't matter. This means that you find all colors at one place. That's what I heard. You have the calling here of 10 of Cups. This is kind of celebration, I feel. And recording time 0606, which is so amazing. Harmony double. You have harmony double, and I feel this 06 is for Piscean also, 06 is for Cancerian as well, okay? As in like collab I'm doing for water sign, but this time frame is celebration, self-satisfaction, surrender, some kind of confession also coming for you, but this confession is going to be very positive. For some, your family, there's a family planning. For some, you have already children, but there is a family planning also. And I feel like it's the news of like twins. I don't know whether they took birth already or not. Twins, okay? Yeah. It's a homecoming. It's being victorious. It's now I can rest. Now I've done that, okay? So basically breaking free from something here, and monotony definitely. Let's see where you're coming from. Where you're coming from. I'm hearing like you had to wait a lot for something here. This is most probably for even work situation as well, and that's why you are feeling very emotional. It's breaking, okay? But we're going to see where you're coming from. This may be any kind of situation. I feel like you were stuck somewhere and now you're making a move, definitely. It's like, no, I can't stop. And that's why I said dragon awakes. So when dragon is awaking, it's like more energetic energy here. It's historical, it's very profound, authentic, you know, dragon. So it's all about the fact that which energy form you are in. And I feel that you are in this energy form. So where you're coming from? You're coming from King of Wands energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius might be the one you dealt with or falling in your chart. However it goes for you, we're going to see it. Okay, Queen of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. For some, it's the work matter, it's the project, it's something upcoming for your life. I see here, maybe fire sign is falling in your chart. If this is not the case, you have two characters, important, looking side by side. I mean, someone looks up to you, first thing. Or there is someone who is an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius getting in contact with the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy here. However they deal with you. They may be involved in your family. There's also stability talk, monotony breaking. I heard that someone is not looking up to them anymore. It's also decision between, I feel, two. I don't know how it is going for you guys, but this is someone who is very important to you and you're considering something. Like it's overcoming something, monotony breaking, no more dancing on someone's tunes. Finally, ending something and moving with the fact and with what is possible. So maybe you are breaking free from this energy. There's also Lovers, Gemini, but the Lovers is the call of making decision. It is also in the midst of two. It is wise decision. It's the one who is meant to. Yin and Yang energy, lovers coming together, okay? So it's a great union here. I feel like the dragon is having that like kind of energy. But we are going to see, still, we're going to see the future call, and then I'm going to take out some connecting cards, which for me is connecting, like clarifying, okay? What's in your future? I feel like it's stability time. It's like someone who is taking control of the situation, definitely. It's the last bucket, as I said. So someone is in this situation of deciding and making a move, big move here, okay? Last bucket. Possible the last chance, possible emotional situation. You need to save something. Okay. Okay. Okay, I feel like possible this person is holding the pentacle here, and they may be your partner in your present situation, and you might be coming from a place of like having so much of passion for the person, but there is something that they're watching or seeing, like it's something that is shifting. Okay, you have something else and they have something else in mind, kind of energy when people are in relationship, or this is even marriage. Okay, the person's, there's a little bit of different approach to something, let's say. With the Three of Wands energy, there is someone who is having a different approach. So if this is your partner, yes, goes that way. But with the Three of Wands energy, this is some connection also you are desiring. You are desiring with the person, you are desiring within family. It is also some news coming from far. It is also someone who is yet believing to change even the place, physical, like shift. Okay, last bucket possible. This is the possible someone is feeling, and this is my last chance, so this is a big project that I have to do. Okay, for some of you, Three of Wands energy. They're telling me it's a big move in the coming time, and the bucket is something that you're securing. You're very emotional, but you're keeping it at back burner, so to proceed with certain dream here. I feel like many of you are feeling like it's a long way to go. Okay, it's a long way to go, yes, of course. But then again, you have big plans here. Let's tell you what they're trying. Okay, what? Just give me a second. This Three of Wands is very stuck energy here, though it's in future, and it is supposed to be like your future travel as well, future trip as well. Okay, not just a fun trip. No, it's not that. It's something connected with your dream project, connected with your dream thing here. You're spending a lot of time here in your family. If you're single, then goes that way. Happens. You're looking through. Okay, so let me see what's beyond Three of Wands though. It's beyond Three of Wands though. Yeah, you have this something kind of like word personified. I don't know how it goes for you, but Nine of Pentacles is something that you are assuring. You are choosing in the mid, in between the lines. Something is in between the lines. You're trying to read that. Nine of Pentacles is your assurance of your finances as well in the future. It's also you are going to stay single. There are prospects here for some of you, or you are already with them, then making a move, choosing. This is a hard decision, as I said. Some of you won't be single anymore. Okay, there is someone who is waiting on the other side. So maybe long distance relationship as well with the Three of Wands energy. The Lovers is definitely the choice. Definitely there is something. I feel like if you have already your partner here, because you have kings and queens, if you have, then this may be the call of like you getting single, getting free, or someone does want to be free. They wanna get free from something here. That's what I heard. Okay. Okay, fine. What do we want? Okay. So here I'm going to take another deck for clarification on King of Wands. What is the energy form that's trying to tell us apart from the character? There's someone in the picture, like three, like you and then two, you and then two, possible you and two, two and you. There's like, it's a call of fame as well. It's something connected with that. Eight of Wands energy. Something is brewing here, or something is moving very fast like a wheel. But this is Eight of Wands energy. This is with the King of Wands energy. There is someone whose presence is there in your life. You might be involved, or they might be involved with someone. The time is tick, 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 and most of the time, there is some talk, communication happening here, or fast pace happening with this energy. If it has to do something with alone you, like kind of energy, there is something that you want to say to someone here a lot, but it's not happening. Okay, someone over here is not even looking. I don't know why. It's the last bucket. Look, Knight of Swords, Queen of Pentacles energy. This person who is in your life or around you, they're stuck. First thing, there's also Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but they're not telling you something that they really want to reveal. With the Knight of Swords energy, they want to say a lot of things. Okay, there might be an Aquarius as well as in general, like heavy sign. But I feel with this Knight of Swords energy, someone does want to say a lot of things, or the lot of things to you, or you want to say, okay? Because we have characters, then we have the card with the connecting energies. They are trying to pull out the energy and the words. Eight of Wands, movement. Someone does want to step up and say something. So if this is you, you wanna. If they wanna. Let's see. Someone is home, okay, giving more time to home. 10 of Cups is also that. It seems the perfect. Something seems the perfect, but the one who's not liking something, okay? Seems the perfect, but the Devil. Something that someone doesn't like, the pattern or something. Capricorn is also here, but with this, someone does want to break free from this pattern. Who, you or the other energy? The Devil. Okay, they don't like it. They don't like the pattern. They don't like the approach. They don't like being physical. They don't like being, you know, there is something that they don't like being. Like they don't enjoy the same format possible you used to or you do. The Devil, okay? For some of you, there may be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius again, or the signs Aries, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Devil, Capricorn, and Aquarius in particular as well. For some of you, with this energy, I feel you are seeking out or you are contacting, if this goes from your side, is sending certain communication to the person, and you want to have that reverse of clock, okay? Here, that's what I see. If it is happening, you're going to return, as in like contacting the past energy here as well. Now, not every time everyone is doing this, but I feel like with the Devil, there's a bounce back, and this is someone who is financially very independent, you or the other person. However, they're very known in their work. So there may be a call of like fame with the fact of Stars card, Six of Cups, resurgence. Yes, we can say that. And with the Star is an Aquarius as well from the tarot world. Let's see. Let's wind up the reading with Romance Angels. You have romantic feelings for someone here. I'm telling you the last bucket. Someone who is trying to see whether it's there, or maybe the last bucket is the one that you left on the way, en route, and now you really want to go and check, because this is your reading, so I'm picking your energy, you're going back and checking that whether emotions are left or not, okay? Like kind of energy that you can reconnect with the vibe. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. I feel you are in love already, you're with the person, then you're a family person, like a family woman or man, and you know, father, mother in that case, or just a lover, partner. But this energy is you're in love. You have deep energy, you're in love, and you have this concept of like asking this person as well if they are away from you or you lost contact. There's also flirt, there's also free yourself. Okay, so extend your light-hearted energy to others, and it's time to take back control of your life. Okay, you are trying to be serious this time. Possible that's why you want to go and check the last bucket here, if this is the case, okay? Or someone in your life right now, they want to get free from this and they do not enjoy this flirt ambience. But I feel, yeah, look, codependency, certain kind of pattern, something that is troubling, addictions or anything like that. But I feel that someone is going to check that, because I saw them peeping inside the bucket. Oh, water is still there, but it's like in the crease, like they're stuck. What should I use to get back and, you know, take it out, kind of energy. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.